Hi students, welcome back to the class 19 theorem. If F maps from G to G is a homomorphism and H is a cyclic subgroup of G, then f of H is also a cyclic subgroup of G. It is given that F is a homomorphism and H is a cyclic subgroup. We have to show that f of H is also a cyclic subgroup of G. It is given that H is a cyclic subgroup of G. It is cyclic subgroup of G, nothing but H is generated by an element A belongs to G. We know f of H is a subgroup of G. Now we have to show that f of H is cyclic. Let X belongs to f of H, therefore Y belongs to H, such that f of Y equals X. Since Y belongs to H implies Y equals A power M. A is generator for every M. F of Y equals f of A power M. F of Y nothing but X. X equals f of A power M. Case 1. If M is positive integer, X equals f of A power M. Or we can write f of A into A and so on up to M times. That is equals f of A, because f is a homomorphism, f of A into f of A into f of A and so on M times. This can be written as f of A whole power M. Case 2. If n is negative integer, that is m equals minus n, where n is positive integer, X equals f of A power M. Okay, equals f of A power M can be written as minus n, or f of A power minus 1 whole power n, that is f of A inverse whole power n, or f of A whole power minus 1 whole power n, that is equals f of A whole power minus n equals f of A whole power minus n nothing but m. Therefore, every element X belongs to f of H is expressed as f of A power m, where m is an integer. Therefore, f of H is a subgroup generated by this element f of A. Therefore, f of H is also cyclic group of G. Next theorem. The homomorphic image of an abelian group is abelian. Proof. Let G be an abelian group. That is, for every AB belongs to G, AB equals BA. Let f of A and f of B are the elements of f of G. Now we have to show that f of A into f of B equals f of B into f of A. First consider f of A into f of B equals f of AB, because f is homomorphism. Since G is abelian, AB can be written as BA. Therefore f of BA. F of BA can be written as f of B into f of A. Therefore f of G is abelian. Next, kernel of a homomorphism. This is one of the important definition. If F maps from G to G dash be a homomorphism of groups, then the set K equals set of A belongs to G, such that f of A equals identity element of G dash. That is, image of an element equals E dash. Those elements, set of those elements is called kernel of a homomorphism, where E dash is the identity of G dash is called kernel of the homomorphism and denoted by kernel F. Note, kernel F is non-empty because E belongs to K, as f of E equals E dash. Kernel F is non-empty. Second one, kernel F is a subset of G. Example, let G equals R plus dot is multiplication group of positive real numbers. This symbol R plus nothing but positive real numbers, and G dash equals R plus of additive group of real numbers. Define F maps from G to G dash by f of x equals log x to the base 10 for every x belongs to G. Then F is homomorphism. Solution. F maps from R plus dot to R plus is defined as f of x equals log x to the base 10 for every x belongs to G. G nothing but this set. Positive real numbers dot. Let x and y are the elements belongs to the set of positive real numbers, such that f of x equals log x to the base 10, f of y equals log y to the base 10. Now consider f of xy. F of xy nothing but log xy to the base 10. We know that log mn to the base 10 is log m plus log n. Similarly, this can be written as log x to the base 10 plus log y to the base 10. Log x to the base 10 is fx plus log y to the base 10 is fy. Therefore, f is a homomorphism. Hence, kernel f equals 1 because f of 1, consider the image of this element. F of 1 is log 1 to the base 10. That is log 1. Log 1 value 0. 0 is the identity of g dash. G dash means r plus set of real numbers under addition. 0 is the identity element of this set. For 1, f of 1 equals log 1 to the base 10, that is 0. 0 is the identity of this. Therefore, kernel f equals 1. Next, consider the multiplication group C star of all non-zero complex numbers and mapping f maps from C star to C star defined by f of x plus iy equals x minus iy for every x plus iy belongs to C star. Solution: clearly f is a homomorphism. Let x plus iy, p plus iq belongs to C star such that f of x plus iy is x minus iy and f of p plus iq is p minus iq. Consider x plus iy, p plus iq. X plus iy into p plus iq, x into p, xp, x into iq is I xq, iy into p, I yp, iy into iq, I square yq, I square value minus yq. This is real part, this is imaginary part. Now take the f of x plus iy into p plus iq, that is f of xp minus yq plus I xq plus yp. By this definition, this is x minus iq. Similarly, this term minus this term. xp minus yq minus I into xq plus yp, or xp minus yq minus I xq minus plus minus I yp. Take x common in these two terms, xp minus iq. In these two terms, iy is common, p minus iq. Here iq, because minus minus plus I into I square. I square is minus 1. So, I write iy minus iq. P minus iq is common. P minus remaining term x minus iq. X minus iy. X minus iy is f of x plus iy. P minus iq is f of p plus iq by using this. Now, kernel f equals set of x belongs to C star such that f of x equals e dash equals 1 equals set of a plus ib such that f of a plus ib equals 1. F of a plus ib nothing but a minus ib, that is 1 can be written as 1 minus I0. Comparing the real and imaginary parts, a equals 1, b equals 0, that is kernel f equals 1.